Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're tackling a topic many of you have been asking about: how to get that coveted unlimited storage on Google Photos, especially now that the free unlimited option is no longer officially available for everyone. And the best part, we're going to do this without needing to root your phone. We'll be using a fantastic open source application called Revanced Google Photos, specifically version 7.31. Now, before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: since this isn't an official Google application, there are a couple of minor limitations we'll discuss. But for unlimited photo backups, it's a game changer. So, what exactly do you need? It's pretty straightforward. You'll need to download and install to APKs, Revanced Google Photos v7.31 APK, Micro-G APK. Both of these are essential for the process to work correctly. We're talking about an open source solution here, so you'll typically find these on reputable third-party Android repositories. Make sure you're downloading from a trusted source. I'll include links to where you can safely find these in the description below this video. Once you have both APKs downloaded, the installation order is crucial. First, install the Micro-G APK. This is vital because it acts as a bridge, allowing Revanced Google Photos to authenticate with your Google account without needing Google Play services. After Micro-G is installed, do not open it yet. Instead, proceed to install the Revanced Google Photos v7.31 APK. Now that both are installed, do not open Revanced Google Photos yet. This is a critical step. Instead, open the Micro-G app first. Inside the Micro-G app, you'll find an option to log in with your Google account. This is where you'll sign in with the Google account you want to use for unlimited photo storage. Go ahead and log in. Once you're successfully logged in through Micro-G, you can then close the Micro-G app. Now, finally, you can open the Revanced Google Photos app. Here's where we get to those minor limitations I mentioned. Every time you open the Revanced Google Photos app, you will need to select your Google account. Also, it's important to note that you won't get some of the newer AI features like Magic Editor or other advanced AI-powered editing tools that Google has been rolling out. And there you have it. You should now be able to back up your photos to your Google account with unlimited storage using the Revanced Google Photos v7.31. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.